Hello, this is Johnson from LangFort International Academy. Today I am going to talk about known cases in OET writing. We can easily make out whether a patient is a known case or unknown when we go through the case note. But many fail to understand that they cannot treat all known cases in the same manner. So in this video, we are going to discuss 3 different kinds of known cases and how to go about the introduction. So let's move on to the video.
LangFort International Academy, your passport to the world of opportunities.
To explain the 3 different kinds of known cases, let me take a scenario of a patient who was admitted to your hospital with appendicitis. So in the first instance, the patient was referred to your hospital by his GP with the symptoms of appendicitis. At your hospital, he was treated with appendectomy. And now you are discharging the patient back to his GP. Here the GP knows patients presenting complaints, past medical history and social history. So in this scenario, it is always advisable to update the GP. For instance, I am writing to update you on Mr. X who underwent appendectomy at our service on 18th June 2022. He is being discharged today and follow-up care is required. So in the second scenario, the patient came to your hospital from his home with the suggestive symptoms of appendicitis. He was diagnosed with appendicitis and treated with appendectomy. Now you are sending the patient to his GP for follow-up care. Here I don't suggest you to update the GP because the GP has no idea about patients presenting complaints or current situation. So I would rather write the introduction like, I am writing regarding Mr. X, comma, a known case of yours, comma, who underwent appendectomy at our facility on 18 June 2022. He is being discharged today and follow-up care is required. Well, now coming to the third one. Here, the patient was brought to your hospital from a nursing home or a retirement home with the definitive symptoms of appendicitis, and at your hospital, he was treated with appendectomy. And now, you are discharging the patient back to the nursing home or retirement home. Here, they have a clear-cut picture of patients presenting complaints, past medical history and social history. And this is a discharge letter. In such a scenario, you can start the introduction with the patient's name, like Mr. X, comma, who underwent appendectomy on 18th June 2022 at our hospital, comma, is being discharged back to your service and continued care is required. So these are the 3 main known cases and the different ways of writing introduction. I hope it was worth watching, and I will come up with another video on OET writing. Until then, bye. Thank you.